Hi, friend. So today we are going to be talking productivity. Did you know that you could use ChatGPT to help you organize your day, create a to-do list, and all sorts of other things like that? So, whether you're planning a busy day or you need help staying on track, I'll show you how to make it happen with a single prompt. So, ChatGPT is kind of like having a virtual personal assistant at your fingertips. And so it's going to analyze the task and the time and everything that you provided, and it can create a schedule for you. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be creating a schedule and staying on track so that we are not feeling so overwhelmed in our day. And to do this, we are going to put a prompt in that I'm going to provide you. It's going to be in the description. You can just copy it and you can paste it into ChatGPT, and then you will be able to organize your day using the prompt. So let's get to it. I'm going to share my screen. We're going to go over to ChatGPT, and then we are going to fill out the prompt and see if it can help us get organized. So let's go. All right, here we are. Over at ChatGPT, I have already inserted the prompt in here, but I just have not run it yet. So, what it says is, can you help me organize my day? I need a schedule for blank. And then you're just going to put in what you need the schedule for. My top priorities are you list your priorities, what they are, and what time you're available from. And I'd like to put in what you like to include. Please create a balanced schedule that helps me stay productive and focused. So let's go ahead on in here and we're going to figure it out. So we're going to say that we need a schedule for, I have next Monday here. So let's just go with next Monday. I'm going to say I need a schedule for next Monday. Let's delete all of this other stuff out of here. And my top priorities are, what are your top priorities? So I'm going to say, let's delete this. And I'm going to say I have work, and that's from, let's say, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. And then I also need to grocery shop. I need to grocery shop. I need to create my to-do list for the week. I need to create my meal plan for the week. For the week. Let's see, what else do I need to do? I need to work on my digital business. And I need to fold clothes. I need to do all of this on next Monday to get my week started. So I'm available since I'm going to be working in the daytime, I am just going to make myself available in the evening time. So from 5 p.m. from 5 p.m. and then let's see, I'm going to stop at maybe 11 p.m. and let's see how ChatGPT can fit all of this in here. I am also, let's see, and I would like to include, I can't think of anything that I would like to include between 5 and 9. I need to get a lot done, and I don't think that I need to take any breaks. So let's delete that. I'm not going to include any of that. And so I say, please create a balanced schedule that helps me stay productive and focused. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with for my schedule for next Monday. So, because I only gave it that short window from 5 to 11, it's going to plan out my time from 5 to 11. So let's see, 5 to 5:30 grocery shopping, head to the store. Well, that's not going to work because it's going to take me, I should have told it that I'm leaving work at 5. So by the time I get to the grocery store, it's going to take me 35, 40 minutes to get to the grocery store from my work. Okay, so let's go in and let's r- tweak it a little bit. Let's go back in and let's tweak this a little bit. All right, so I'm going to tell ChatGPT that I leave work at 5 p.m. and it will take me, let's say 40 minutes to get to the grocery store. And I might as well tell it how long it's going to take me to get home too. So, and from the grocery store, it will take me 10 minutes to get home. To get home. So I'm going to say, please redo the schedule. Mm-mm. And I'm going to send it to ChatGPT and let's see what it comes back with. So, okay, it's saying 5 to 5:40, commute from work to the grocery store. Use this time to travel and unwind mentally from the workday. 5:40 to 6:20. It's given me what, 20 minutes? No, 40 minutes to shop at the grocery store. So complete your shopping for the week, stick to your list and save time and stay focused. Okay, thank you. 6:20 to 6:30, commute home. 6:30 to 7, fold clothes, tackle folding and putting away your laundry to keep things organized. Use this time to transition into home mode. 7 to 7:30, create your weekly meal plan. Plan simple balanced meals for the week based on the groceries you brought. 7:30 to 8, create your weekly to-do list. List out your goals and priorities for work, personal life, and your digital business. 8 to 9:30, work on your digital business. Focus on your most important task of your business. So it's telling me to work on my business. 9:30 to 10, dinner or relaxation. Take a break to eat, recharge, and enjoy quiet time. That's a pretty late dinner. So that's a good point though, because literally ChatGPT is going to do exactly what you tell it to do. So in my directions, I did not tell it that I wanted to come home and cook dinner. So it kind of knew that I needed to eat, but it gave me a really late dinner time. If I were to go back in here and tell it to like redo it, that I needed to cook dinner in here, then it probably will make dinner a little bit earlier. But 9:30 is pretty late. And then it's going to say from 10 to 10:30, additional digital business work or a light task. If you feel motivated to continue working on light tasks such as brainstorming, goal setting, or reviewing progress, if you're tired, wind down with creative or relaxing activity. And then it's telling me at 10:30 I can wind down for bed. So if you really need to stick to a schedule, or if you're the person who works better on a tight schedule or like a to-do list, ChatGPT can really help you do that, because then I could print this off and I could like check this off as I go, or I could have it in my phone and just check it off as I go. But it's really good at organizing things for you, creating a to-do list. Let's ask it to create a to-do list. So I'm going to say, can you create my to-do list so that I can check my task off? How about that? Let's see what it does so that I can check my task off. And so there it is. Now it's printing me my to-do list. If you're the type of person who likes to have a to-do list and who likes to check things off. So there you go. I could take this over into like my Word and then I could like print it off, or I could copy and paste it into my phone and just check it off from there. So that's it. Let's come out of here. And I could go back and forth with this, making adjustments and doing things like that. But just to show you the power of having an assistant to help you plan and organize your day via ChatGPT. It's great. So that's going to be it for now. I just wanted to come and show you how you could use ChatGPT to help keep you organized, to help keep you on track, and to help you get things done. And I think that's it for now. And come back and see me. And I'm going to have more tips on AI and ChatGPT, how to use it to incorporate into your life to make your life run more efficient. If there's a prompt that you want me to run, or a prompt that you want me to play with, or anything that you want me to show you using ChatGPT, just leave me a comment and I will definitely do the things that you want to see. So that's it for now. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel where I'm going to give you more tips on using AI and ChatGPT. All right, that's it for now. Bye, friends.